Who said you need money to glow up? Please, we're about to prove them so wrong. Grab your notebook, your water bottle, and that mirror you've been ignoring. This is your $0 7-day glow up. No excuses, just results. Let's get to work. Drink more water. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Start your day with water after waking up. Carry a bottle if needed. Water helps your skin look fresh and keeps you active. Fix your posture. Sit and stand straight. Don't slouch. Keep your back straight and your chin slightly up. This makes you look confident and improves your body shape over time. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Try to go to bed early and wake up at the same time daily. Good sleep reduces dark circles, clears your skin, and gives you energy. Stay clean and fresh. Shower daily. Wash your face twice morning and night. Brush your teeth twice. Use soap and water. Basic hygiene makes a huge difference. Take care of your nails and hair. Trim your nails every week. Keep them clean. Comb your hair daily. If possible, oil your hair once a week and wash it regularly to keep it soft and shiny. Move your body. Walk, dance, stretch, or do bodyweight workouts like squats or push-ups. Just 15 to 30 minutes daily helps your body tone up and boosts your mood. Smile and make eye contact. Smiling makes you look friendly and more attractive. When talking to someone, look into their eyes. It shows confidence. Clean your space. Tidy up your room, desk, or any space you spend time in. A clean space helps you feel relaxed and focused. Basic skincare with home items. Wash your face with water and a gentle cleanser, or just water if nothing else. Rub ice cubes on your face for glow. Honey can work as a natural face mask. Speak kindly to yourself. Stop saying bad things about yourself. Say things like, I'm improving. I'm proud of myself. Positive self-talk builds confidence. Dress neatly. Wear clean, ironed clothes, even at home, and pick colors that make you feel good. You don't need new clothes. Just look put together. Eat simple and healthy with more fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals, and cut back on junk food. Healthy choices show up on your skin and body. Reduce screen time by taking breaks from your phone and spending more time outside or doing something creative. Take 5 to 10 minutes daily to sit quietly. Close your eyes and breathe deeply to calm your mind and reduce stress. Learn something new? Read a few pages, listen to a podcast, or watch an educational video to grow your mind. 7 days, $0, maximum glow. You don't need money, just commitment. This isn't just a makeover. It's a mindset shift. Keep glowing, because this is just the beginning.